Hello everyone, welcome into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create a CapCut video by iOS or iPhone. So first thing you have to do, open your CapCut and let's just go click a new project. And today's tutorial I would like to show you is the tutorial how to create video from a bunch of photos. So here I would like to use the stock videos from the CapCut, but then I would like to find the specific videos, which is cats, but I'm not gonna use videos. So as I told you, I would like to show you to create a videos from a bunch of photos. So in the type section, I just need to go click photo. There you go, and just wait. And this is the photos that we can add or we can use for editing. So let's just choose the photo that we want to add or create to be a video. Okay, I think I will let to use this 4 photos, and after that you just need to go click add. And now we already have this 4 videos, 4 photos on our project. And to create a great video from this photo, we just need to adjust in it. I will like to make it the video become shorter for each, like just 2 seconds for each. So we just need to go click this part or each clip, and then after that we just need to adjusting where we gonna split this part, and after that you just need to go click split and delete the rest. Or the other way, you just need to go click it and just drag this part into the inside or inner part to make it shorter. Drag into the inner part. There you go. Okay, and now I already have this for clip. And then to make it a smooth move, let's just add an animation or transition for each. So you just need to go click this square between 2 clips, and after that you will be brought into the transitions part, and you just need to choose the transitions that you want to add. If you want to do an overlay, just go click an overlay and find out what overlay that you want to add. So then and now is kind of like good, and after you find it, you just need to go click done. And if you want to apply the different transition, just go click the same way, click the square and just choose another transitions and just go click done. Let's find another transition with the last transition. Here we go, and of that just go click done. And now we already have this transition for each clip to make it like have a smooth moving. And for the last or the final part, we need to add audio so that the videos will be sounds good. Just need to go into the sounds, and after that you just need to find out the musics that probably match with the music or the video. Nope. This plus button, and don't forget to adjusting the line to make sure that the length of the audio is the same with the length of the video. Just need to go click it, go split and delete the rest. Now we already have the same lines between the audio and the clip or the video. Now let's go check the result. So that's the way how to create a video on CapCut application. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.